What you should install when building a new PC like that, or obviously not like that because that's mine, but this is what you should have every time you build a new computer, you get a new computer, anything like that. Well, obviously this is going to vary a little bit, but these are the main things that I do when I build a new PC. I download Hardware Info 64, so that's going to show you literally about everything you could ever want to see about what your system displays or what it shows. It's all throughout all here. Summary, all your stuff. Now next I get Crystal Disk Info, which basically just shows you the health of your storage devices. So whether it's SSD or hard drives, it doesn't matter. It shows what it is, all the information about it right there. And next, which is arguably the most important, is you get the driver software for your graphics card. Right now I have an AMD, so obviously I'm gonna get my AMD software. This, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can get the GeForce Experience app. So you just type in on Google Chrome, GeForce Experience download, click it, download it.